How to open Amorphous Material in First Descendant game application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily open the Amorphous Material in First Descendant. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, in order to get the Amorphous Material in your inventory, you simply need to complete missions, which are usually either Void Fusion Reaction, which unlock when you break enough of the First Descendant Void fragments. Once you complete these missions, the reconstructed device will appear nearby. You can interact with it and use it once to convert a single piece of compatible amorphous material. After you are able to get an amorphous material in the First Descendant, you need to convert it to a usable source for research. For that, complete the mission for a chance to earn amorphous material as a reward, and after you have completed the mission, use the reconstructed device. After that, research the blueprint back at the Albion to earn new characters. When you have the amorphous material in your inventory, go to the consumable menu and check the material pattern. There will be an option to open the sub-menu, link reconstructed device info. From there, it will tell you what mission or boss you need to beat to access the correct device. So that's it. That is how easily you can open amorphous material in First Descendant application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.